Okay guys, so we remember we made the last trade here, then we consolidated all this above the moving average, then the market started to tank. As you see, we started seeing these sell imbalances here, sell, all this selling. They didn't respect the ATR now. Okay, so you can see all the selling, incredible, just selling, guys. You see this? Okay, until we got to this short and we was a winner. We're up $1,000. So as you can see, it takes a while. Sometimes it's just not like it's not like
short signal and Q.
You can trade every minute. Okay, so we are just getting trades that go with the trend. Okay, so that way we can expect making better trades and not making trades that are not good enough. Okay, so look at this. So we expecting the market to bounce here and continue lower. Okay, so guys,
short signal and Q.
Just giving you an update of what the signals look like. And like I said, it takes too much time to be recording, stopping, recording, stopping, and recording. It takes too much time. So okay guys, that's it.